inside of this thing. And of course, it comes in accessories. And let's look what it have in this accessories. So you're gonna have a brick for your charging ones. And this one right here is pretty lightweight, so you can just put this in your pocket, or you can just put in your little bag or whatever you got. Alright, what else we got here? And you get what? What is this? Instructions. What's in this bike? So let's go ahead and put this on the side. And it comes with this. Wow, the seat looks comfortable, so pretty decent, I would say. Put this on the side. The box doesn't seem heavy, so go ahead, pull this out of here. Squish in there for shipping. Zip tie, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it all out. Alright guys, what I think of this bike, my impression already, the way it looks good. I mean, you know, it's not heavy like I thought it would be. It's lightweight. So you can commute with this thing around town. It looks decent. The tire looks, you know, for the size of the tire is not bad, but it looked like the mud guard here is pretty much give you that much off for your tire. So I think you can put bigger fat tire. So if you live in other places like more rough road, you can change the tire a little bit. You can get a fatter tire, because you can put a fatter tire in this bicycle easily. And yeah, and you have the gears on here already. You can turn it on. You have the lights, you have the horn. I think it needs to be charged. Let me go ahead and turn this on. Whoa. Well, you got some power, even though I'm in low mode. Look at this. It's doing popping wheelies. Look at that. Wow, interesting. Yeah, it's popping wheelies right now with this on. And it's comfortable, so if you're gonna commute, yeah, it's really comfortable, surprisingly. I can rock with this. And this got a top speed of 15 miles an hour. Yeah. And then you can turn off the light. So you only got one mode for your lights on this guy here. I'll probably need to put some air on it, on the tires. Commute, this is where to go. And it's lightweight. It's not even that bad. It's lightweight. It's not for you to carry it around. It's gonna be. See how the power is gonna be. Wow. Of course, you put it in mid height. Wow. You got some power to it. Surprise. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it low, or probably just gonna go ahead and turn it off. And I can just use my gears, you know, if I want to go ahead and ride around. And let me go ahead and show you guys here. The cool thing I like this about the shocks, struts over here, that you can put air in it. So, you know, if you want to have a comfy ride, you can just pump it up with the air. I bought electric bicycle, the one with the big fat tire with the shocks on the front. Is terrible. I think it's really cheap. It's not pleasant like I thought it would be, you know. It's it's kind of cheap made, but this one right here, you put air in it, and you can, it's better that way, you know. And yeah, so it feels comfortable. Just, I ain't even put air on this thing yet, but definitely, there we go. It's really comfortable ride. This is wow. I'm surprised how comfortable this, just the way I'm just sitting right now. You know, just commute everywhere. I can go everywhere with this. You know, for $500 something, it's kind of a little bit too much for, I think, what I paid for, but I'm already happy the way it feels. It feels comfortable, it feels tiny, you know. And let's go ahead and show you guys the gears on this thing. All right. So this is what I got. This is the one with the gear. So you get 6 gear here by Shimano's speed, 6 gear speed. Yeah, but it's decent. I like it. You know, you might have to just fix the way you want this what do you call this mud guards, just the way you're suited in. You can fix it up a little bit, but I'm surprised the way it comes. So if you get this, I mean, I'm 6'1", you know, and I'm already comfortable riding this. For a tall guy like me, I mean, consider myself tall. There's plenty of tall people out there, but the seats, you can actually raise it up more higher, the way it fits your needs. But for me, I like it like that. But feels good. You should definitely check this out. You know, I'm not saying pay for what you get for, but you know, you get Shimano gears. I think this is a typical mountain bike gearing here, but it's enough for you to commute. I think even just 1 gear is even fine, you know, depending on your suit. But you can actually put a fatter tire in this for sure. You got more gap. So I'm probably gonna do that because I'm gonna be riding this more to the beach. So I'm probably gonna get a bigger tire, not bigger tire, the same size, just fatter, because I'm always in a rough environment, and I want something that is light and portable, and I can just put it in the back of the car, in a trunk. It did not come with the, how you call this, with the rear lights. It's very interesting, you know. I don't know why I did not did that. You know, simple as that one. It did not come with the tail light, and they only have the front. I don't know if you can save battery on that one, but it's really simple. But you can get this at Amazon for like, it's really cheap. This one right here probably costs you about like $4, $5, and you can do different kind of, you know, and you know, you can just, it's also waterproof also in this one here. And you can just put this in your bicycle. You know, you can actually just put it anywhere with you, or you can even do this with your bicycle and then you can get one of those cheap rechargeable, but it charges. But that's it. It's a little conversion right there you can do, and then you can get different however fits your needs. But this one right here will last you about 2 or 3 days until you want to go ahead and charge it again. Or if it's not, there's another cable here you could add on instead of USB, and just get on one of those little power banks and you can charge it for a long time. But hey, I'm still happy the way it comes. This thing looks awesome. I'm pretty happy with the size. I can just put this in my car to go, and super excited. And that's about it. And I'm probably gonna get a bigger, fatter tire, but I probably won't even do that. But so far so good.